believe you can, and you're halfway there. Quote by Theodore Roosevelt. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. Quote by Winston Churchill. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Quote by Steve Jobs. Your time is limited, don't waste it living someone else's life. Quote by Steve Jobs. The only thing standing between you and your goal is the story you keep telling yourself as to why you can't achieve it. Quote by Jordan Belfort. The future depends on what you do today. Quote by Mahatma Gandhi. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. Quote by Sam Levinson. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Quote by C.S. Lewis. Hardships often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny. Quote by C.S. Lewis. The road to success and the road to failure are almost exactly the same. Quote by Colin R. Davis.